Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the big misconception about success and happiness. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the biggest misconception about success and happiness. So the very first thing that you have to understand, and this is going to be a very short video, but success doesn't equal happiness. That is like the point that I want to make, because so many people think that they want to make millions and millions and millions and think about like they're going to be so happy. But the truth is, if you're not happy right now, then there's a good chance that you will not be happy when you're successful either. Think of all the rock stars that are rich and famous, the actors, actresses, people that you look up to, and then the next day you hear that they committed suicide or something like that. So instead, you have to chase your purpose, chase growth, chase, getting better, improving yourself in like a ton of other areas, not just making money online, even though like that's kind of counterproductive, because this channel is about how to make money online, and that's one of the things that you have to do as well. But you have to improve in other areas of your life. If you're just focused on that, then on like making money and being rich and whatever, then that will not equal happiness. Instead, you have to chase growth, and that's what's going to make you happy, getting better in so many different areas. And making money online is one of them, but you can do all sorts of different things to improve your health, and that will improve as well making money online, because if you don't improve other areas, you'll get really depressed and you're not going to get anywhere. So if you're happy, you will create more success as well, because you'll be more effective. And that is one of the points that just sounds like, yes, he's just saying that because it sounds good and whatever, but it's not the case. It's actually scientifically proven that if you're happy, you're more productive, you're better at what you do. And if you look at like the more successful people, they were happy before they even started their business. Now, not everyone is like that. Some people are depressed, but the far majority of people are getting better. Like that's just the way it is. So if you're happy, there's a better chance that you will be better. And if you're not happy right now, just start on focusing on the good things that are happening. Not that you're not making money, that you're broke, that whatever it may be, but instead focus on the good things that are happening in your life. And I can guarantee there are, but a lot of people do not see that. So, I can't even give an example, but just start to look at the bright side, and that will help you to grow your business online. So, with that being said, that was a very short video, but I really felt that I had to put that out because, it's very important that people understand that, and that the growth is more important than everything else. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.